Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Snapchat ban. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Snapchat downloaded on your iPhone. If it's not downloaded, head to the App Store and download it now. Next, go to your iPhone's settings. There, find and tap on the General tab. In the General settings, tap on iPhone storage. Scroll through your apps until you find Snapchat. Tap on it and select the Offload App option. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. After offloading the app, go back to the General settings. Scroll down to find Date and Time. In Date and Time, turn off the Set Automatically option. Manually set your date and time to a different time zone away from yours. After following these steps, open your Snapchat and you will see that the ban is lifted. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.